Okay, welcome back. Now that we've got some of the mental frameworks covered, we're going to jump right into part one of 1 Hour SEO, which is topic research. Now, topic research is all about finding the right aspect of the topic to talk about, finding the right topic to talk about, figuring out whether this is something that there is search traffic for or they need to generate search traffic for. And the driving question behind topic research is this something that people are searching for? As soon as you think of something that you want to write about, the next question that you should ask yourself is this something people are searching for? Because some topics that you write about might be very search friendly. So if you're writing about how to lose weight, lots of people are searching for that. But if you're writing about how to draw really intricate caricatures on an air conditioning unit, nobody's probably searching for that. So you need to ask yourself, like, is this something that they're searching for or not? And I would recommend having an idea of a topic before writing an article. I wouldn't recommend going out and trying to find something that people are searching for and then writing about it, because if you do that, you're probably not as qualified to talk about it and it's going to be harder to make a good article. So you should have a topic or area in mind and then figure out if it's something people are searching for. If they are searching for it, then we're going to call it an existing topic. And the next video is going to explain what to do with existing topics. But if the answer is no, then we'll call it a new topic, and the video after will explain what to do with new topics. Now, just because nobody is searching for it doesn't mean you can't get search traffic for it. There's a couple of techniques that we can use to still get some search traffic and some rankings out of it, and I'm going to cover those in that video.